If you have a BRP vehicle that requires engine oil, you probably already know how important it is for the performance and longevity of your machine. That said, you don't want to pair your ride with just any old product. And that's precisely why we created the lineup of XPS oils. Hang tight to learn more about the engine oils we developed to stand up to tough conditions and protect and preserve your go-to vehicle. Jumping right in, let's take a look at what makes the XPS product line different. Since your vehicle was built to handle extreme conditions like snow, waves, ice, and mud, it's typically operated at higher RPMs than your standard car or truck. So when we set out to develop these oils, we had to make sure they could handle heavy work and tough environments. And of course, no two engines are created equal, so we've developed a wide array of options to make sure there's a match for every vehicle in our lineup. This is especially important when we take into account the different surfaces, speeds, and temperatures our machines were designed to handle. All of that said, we went the extra mile to ensure your selection process is super simple. To find out which option is right for your vehicle, all you have to do is check your owner's manual. But to give you a super clear insight into each of these products, we have also included a system to help you understand and keep track of the differences. Each oil has a viscosity index printed on the label that corresponds with the type of engine it works for. Our 2T oil, for example, works with our 2-stroke engine, and I'm sure you can guess what the 4T oil was made for. You'll also notice a W on the label of all of our 4T engine oils that has a number on either side. The first number tells you its cold flow rating, or the viscosity of the oil at low temperatures, and the lower the number, the thinner the oil. This means that the options we created with the lowest numbers are designed for cold weather and offer improved cold start performance. So while a 0W oil is best suited for a ski-doo, a 10W will generally be a better match for tearing up dunes in the desert. The number after the W, on the other hand, describes how thick the oil is at the engine's normal operating temperature. Now, since we know a lot of you have some serious DIY energy, we also set out to create all-in-one oil change kits so you could tackle your oil change solo. This is a great choice if you want to be totally sure you have everything you need on hand, including an oil filter, O-rings, a washer, and of course, your designated XPS oil. This kit can definitely come in handy because if you're anything like us, you don't want to burn an ideal Saturday morning on an extra trip to the shop. Also available as part of the XPS lineup is our collection of fully synthetic oils. We created these options to perform better and last longer, which means fewer oil changes between rides. With their synthetic composition, these oils can handle higher temperatures and will generally be a great option for those of you who like to ride in hot weather. They also offer improved engine and transmission protection, so you won't have to worry as much about rust or corrosion, even in extreme conditions. And that's a wrap on XPS. Don't forget to grab a kit if you plan to DIY. You can always check your owner's manual to confirm the best option to preserve and optimize your ride. Have fun out there, and we'll catch you all soon.